Good morning, y'all. So I'm starting this vlog like days and days early from what I planned because the craziest thing has happened. So I'm at work right now. I have to work from home this week because we have a snowstorm that has passed. So it started Sunday at 10 and it ended yesterday before 10 o'clock. All right, so right now I'm in the middle of getting the baby food flavor of the day for Kason. I picked up this pear. So basically it's a pear pineapple flavor. I'm being like extra quiet right now. The boys are both asleep, but right now I am watching YouTube right now, and I just got out the shower, so I'm about to actually get dressed because I wanted to head to Barnes & Noble to not only do some content planning if they have an area for me to do it, but also to go to the Starbucks as well if there's one nearby, or even Dunkin', because I love me some Dunkin'. But I got my outfit out, or outfit choices right here. So I'm going between, because it's pretty sunny out, I'm going between this look with my sweatshirt that says St. John's University, or I'm thinking, do not mind this, y'all, don't mind it. And then as y'all see, I got my wig on, so I'm looking a lot better. I just gotta lay my around my perimeter a little bit better, and thinking about doing like a cute pony black headband as well, so I'm gonna take y'all along with me. All right, so this is my outfit, y'all. I need to get a whole nother Victoria's Secret like jumpsuit like this, but Amir actually bought this for me back in like I believe it was like 2021, I think. But yeah, it has like the cute little matching jacket that says Victoria's Secret. It's like velvety material, it has the V right here. But I'm thinking about bringing this bag. All right, y'all, so I am officially dressed. As y'all saw, I got my hair together, I put on a little foundation and whatnot, and some lip gloss. I actually got back, I think last year during Christmas time, I had bought this, y'all, from Bath and Body Works. It's the Jolly Gingerbread Village lip gloss, and it's doing exactly what it needs to do because your girl's lips be dry with just the lip mask on. But yeah, Amir is on his way back home, so I have my bag packed up. I probably should bring, honestly, I'm not gonna bring a charger because I'm thinking that as soon as my stuff is about to die, I can just leave. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I am out of Starbucks. It is 5:05. So I sat up here close to an hour, so it wasn't as long as I was expecting, but I was trying to find some inspiration and whatnot. So I am actually by TJ Maxx. Look at how cheap gas is, but about to go into TJ Maxx. All right, y'all, so I am out of TJ Maxx. This is the bag, y'all. The bag has a lot of clothes in it, all for the boys, and I got Amir a scrub brush. I just got to Aldi's, y'all. I'm about to pick up my order, and the person is coming now with my groceries, so. All right, y'all, I got my groceries, so now we're gonna head on home now. Hey guys, so mommy is back home. I'm putting stuff away. Show y'all. All these. First things first, we got shredded cheese. I also got some ground beef. I got some of this tropical punch, and I got some eggs for mainly for Kaden, y'all, because I think I told y'all before, Kaden is pretty picky. Kaden was trying to get the juice, and literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs broke. So we only got 6 eggs that are good left. Guys, so welcome to another day. So I decided to keep this vlog on going because I was gonna cut it off, and I was like, nah, let me just go ahead and keep going. I barely got footage. So today is Friday, so happy Friday, you guys. It is Friday. It is 6:49 in the morning. It's January 17th. So today I do work, so I'm working from 8 to 5 today, and then after I work today, Amir has a poetry event that he will be speaking at, which I'm super excited for him because I haven't been to any of his stuff because of just different circumstances in life, and I'm excited to just be there to support him. So I am excited. So I was like, let me just go ahead and vlog a little bit today and vlog that. So I need to find something to wear because I think I'm gonna go like casual, but I also want to I want to look like cute at the same time. So I'm trying to figure out what I have in here that'll make sense. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I put my eye mask on my eyes. And with these eye masks, you leave them on according to the directions on the back. It says you leave them on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you gently massage your eye. Alright, we are exiting my bathroom, and we're being very quiet about it because we don't want to wake the boys up. So right now, let me pause my video. Right now I am logging into my work computer, as y'all just seen, and I'm about to start getting ready because like I said, I told y'all this morning I start at 8, and yeah, I'm getting that together now. All right, y'all, so I'm on lunch. It's like 1, check the time, it's 1:04. So I got my spaghetti. Oh, this haircut, need to moisturize his hair. But oh, I didn't tell y'all, but Kaden a few days ago, he got his first haircut, so we just gotta brush it down and whatnot. But he looks so stinking cute. But he is eating his breakfast right now, and yeah, we're just chillaxing. So I'm gonna finish doing this because my lunch is over at, I believe, like 1:48, so I have 45 more minutes on lunch. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I will catch you guys later. All right, y'all, so I am officially dressed. I wanted to show y'all my outfit real quick before we head out, but this is my outfit. Let's go ahead and let's head to the event. Alright, we just got here. Heading on in. We can sit like, you want to sit over here? Alright, so we have made it, and it is 7:53. So we're like some of the first people here right now. Let's see how it goes and see what the vibes are this evening.
Breathing thing, and I was real sick and oxygen and stuff. And I had wrote this poem a long time ago, but I feel like it's necessary tonight. So this is, I'm here. I'm gonna take a deep breath. I'm gonna hold my head up. The other day while grocery shopping, I ran into a beautiful black boy who smiled asking if I remembered him. They always remember me when it's been years. I must have taught him, and I'm showing my age. Thank you, he said, for caring for me when no one else did. He hugged me, I cried, and he went on. I'm gonna put my shoulders back and look you straight in the eye. Talking to a friend the other day, he tells me that his little yeah saw me on the mic and inspired her to do the same for the first time. Say, word, word. I sat next to she who said she too saw me slay it on the mic. Said she want to explore her gifts too. Go in, artist. I'm gonna flirt with somebody when they walk by. I will not dance to your song. I make my own rhythms. I am movement personified. I am my own love song. Rewind! I will not dance to your song. I make my own rhythms. I'm movement personified. I am my own love song. Yes. I'm gonna sing out. Sing out. My pen, it has a purpose, and so do I. I'm beautiful, yes, I'm beautiful, and I'm here. That's that piece, y'all. All right, everybody, I'm gonna bring y'all Prince Stern. They not like a mama. She said what she said. Been calling him that since he was little.
Queen mother. Thank you, Father Jehovah, for the gift you gave me. Thank you, Queen, for being here. Thank you for everybody in this room. This is called Freedom. And I wrote it at work on the clock. Why do we have to put in a PTO request for the freedom we should already have? My God, Jehovah God, has given me ability to express myself. I came out of a booth feeling my purpose. So why? Why would I stay at a 9-to-5 that we all know doesn't care about you, me, or mine? When hopefully in God's time, my family will be making money in our sleep. Let me make this clear. I don't speak on anything worldly people want to hear. It's only Jehovah God, elevation, and substance over here.
Rewind. Chocolate dropper. Say it.
Let me make this clear.
Take your time, brother.
How you remix it?
That's what I'm gonna do. But let me make this clear. I don't speak on anything worldly people want to hear. It's only Jehovah God, elevation, and substance over here.